Excerpt number 4, Likutei Etzot. The essence of peace is to connect two opposites. Hence, do not be alarmed if you see a person whose opinion is completely opposite from yours and you think that you will never be able to make peace with him. Or, when you see two people who are completely opposite to each other, do not say it is impossible to make peace between them. On the contrary, the essence of peace is to try to make peace between two opposites.
You see how the true method of correction, the wisdom of Kabbalah, how much it's built on protecting the evil, the expectation that more of it will be revealed, that only on top of that can I bring the correction. And the correction cannot be in opposition to the bad. Rather, the evil, the bad by itself is pushing me forward. So we have to respect it, we have to discover it, we have to build all the systems in order to accept it correctly, receive it correctly, and know what to do right away. But not relate to the evil as evil. Rather, those are signs of shattering of our distance from the Creator that help us advance. They help our adhesion. That's why, as he says, the essence of peace is to connect to opposites. That's what we have to learn, how to apply it, how to explain it to others, how to explain it to the whole world, because the world will not know how to correct itself in any way, even to a small extent. Rather, the evil will be revealed more and more until they understand that the approach to correcting the evil should be when specifically we don't relate to the evil as evil, but as part of the good. Clear?
I have a question about the process and why is it called correction. From what we described earlier,
correction is your attitude to the bad. Nothing changes except for your attitude.
So I see some bad, I raise mine in prayer, I'm asking the Creator to see the good about it, and then what happens? He changes something in me, or does He lend me some filter for a while?
You try and see.
I'm asking.
I can't tell you. There are many modes, manners. Each one is in a different form. But what you're asking for is to be complete at peace with the evil that is revealed, meaning you want to tie this evil, and your attitude towards the Creator is a single thing. And then you're using this evil as coarseness. You rise above that coarseness, meaning you don't take it as bad, but rather as an opportunity for bestowal, for good. And you build a screen, reflected light. That's how you relate to the Creator, who is seemingly awakening in you the evil, the coarseness, but you are grateful for it, you know how to relate to it, how to work with it.
Suppose I was successful, but then once again it disappears.
It doesn't disappear. It means that the Partzuf is purified and you get the next Partzuf, and that's how you walk on.
Something changes in me, or do I use the Creator?
Each time the evil is revealed more and more in a way that removes you, distances you from the Creator, and you work on top of it to reach each time adhesion.
I understand it, but I'm trying to understand how the mechanism works, how the Creator works with me from inside. Do I undergo a change, or does He allow me to use something which is related to Him, which I don't possess?
You will not understand it now. You have to feel it from within. how much the Creator is inside of you, how much He's changing these systems of good and evil, and how much He's building in you the middle line.